If you don't like diets but want to boost your health, try intermittent fasting. It's a game changer. Stem cells are like your body's personal repair team. They help you heal, renew, and regenerate tissues. Without them, well, your body would have a hard time bouncing back from injuries or staying youthful. Regeneration, repair, rejuvenation. So what's fasting got to do with it? When you stop eating, your body enters a special mode, a repair mode. This triggers the production of more stem cells, giving your body a boost in its natural healing abilities. It's like a health hack from within. And here's the best part, it's not complicated. Just start with a simple fasting schedule. Skip breakfast or dinner a couple of times a week. Your stem cells will thank you. But remember, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water. And do your research. There are products and supplements that can support stem cell production, so if you want a healthier, more vibrant you, give intermittent fasting a try. It's not just a diet, it's a health revolution. Stay curious, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.